we will see pattern command. Now first we have created one plate. Now we'll create one feature on this plate so that features can be a pattern. Okay. So let's start. Go for the extrude. Select this plane. Now we'll have one sketch here. Define the dimensions. 19. Okay. This is a feature. Okay. Change the appearance of a okay. Now this surface we have changed the color. Okay. Now we will go for the pattern of this feature. So first select that particular feature. Go for the pattern command. By default it is dimension pattern. Instead of that we will go for the direction. Select first direction. So select this direction. Okay. Members. So how many members you want along that direction. This is the spacing between those two things. Okay. So let it be 35 mm. Okay. Then we go for the second direction if we required. Okay. So let it be 4. So this is in this direction. We want in other direction, and then spacing should be a different size. 40. Okay. So just okay. This will give you a pattern command. A pattern of this feature along this direction and along this direction. Similar to this, we have a different patterns also, okay, which need a different parameters. So on this side, we will see one more type of pattern where as we need a particular feature along a particular curve. Okay, so first we will create one feature. Say we'll again go for the extrude on this surface. Okay, we will have one cylindrical shape here. Increase the die value. Okay, now this cylinder along a particular curve. Okay. So we'll select this case, this feature first. Go for the pattern. Okay, then select the curve. So sketch atom. So reference. We'll define this plane. Sketch. Now from this we will sketch the path. Okay. So that path can be of any shape. This is a path to be followed. Okay, the spacing is very small. You can increase the spacing. Okay, say 35. Okay, so these are the just finish the things. Along that particular path, we get the many features as per the defined spacing. So this is the pattern where we go for the two different directions. Here we follow a particular path. Another is axial pattern, okay, where we can have a feature along that particular axis. Okay. So what we will do, we will delete this thing first. Then on this surface only, we will go for the say axial pattern. We need a particular axis. Okay, so either we can first define the axis and then create a pattern, or instead of that, if we have a circular feature already have, in that case it is easy to select that feature axis. Okay, so we'll go for one, say, so this will help us to define the axis. Okay. Now it has axis. Okay, now we will use this axis for the further along this say feature. We have small features. Okay, so first we will create one more feature which we want to pattern about that particular axis. So draw a small feature here. Okay. Can increase. Okay. So now we will have this pattern along this axis. Just select this feature and then go for the pattern command, and in that axis, this will be the axis. You can increase say 6 numbers and from 360. Okay. This is going out, no problem. Okay. This is the axial pattern.